This video is about time zone. Peregrino since time, the future chronograph time zone. So, here's our Peregrino since time clock illustration. Peregrino since time clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino Sinis time. The Peregrino Sinis time is only had 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So, Peregrino Sinis time, 180 degrees divided by 10 is equal 18 degrees longitude wide. So 1 peri-hours is 18 degrees longitude wide. So here is degree longitude wide and the corresponding time. So 180 degrees is 10 o'clock midnight Peregrino Sinis time. And 162 degrees is 1 o'clock a.m. Peregrino Sinis time. And 144 degrees is 2 o'clock a.m. And 126 degrees is 3 o'clock a.m. And the 108 degrees is 4 o'clock a.m. So continue. 90 degrees longitude wide, the corresponding time is 5 o'clock a.m. Peregrino Sinis time. And 72 degrees is 6 o'clock a.m. And 54 degrees is 7 o'clock a.m. And 36 degrees is 8 o'clock a.m. And the 18 degrees is 9 o'clock a.m. So the another side of degrees and the corresponding time, the another side, degrees longitude wide and the corresponding time in the Peregrino Sinis time. 0 degrees is 10 o'clock noon, Peregrino Sinis time. And 18 degrees is 1 o'clock p.m., Peregrino Sinis time. And 36 degrees is 2 o'clock p.m. Peregrino Sinis time. And 54 degrees is 3 o'clock p.m. And the 72 degrees longitude wide is 4 o'clock p.m. So continue. Degrees longitude wide and the corresponding time. 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock p.m. Peregrino Sinis time. And the 108 degrees is 6 o'clock p.m. And the 126 degrees is 7 o'clock p.m. And the 144 degrees is 8 o'clock a.m. p.m. rather. Again, 144 degrees is 8 o'clock p.m. And the 162 degrees, the corresponding time is 9 o'clock p.m. Peregrino Sinis time. So, the Peregrino Sinis time future chronograph. So again, the clock illustration of the Peregrino Sinis time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And the 1 is 10 periseconds or 10 periminutes. And the 2 is 20 periseconds or 20 periminutes. And the 3 is 30 periseconds or 30 periminutes. And the 4 is 40 periseconds or 40 periminutes. And the 5 is 50 periseconds or 50 periminutes. And the 6 is 60 the 7 is 70, the 8 is 80, the 9 is 90, and the 10 is 100. The 1 full day of the Peregrino Sinis time is 20 peri-hours. 1 full day is 20 peri-hours in the Peregrino Sinis time. Then 100 peri-seconds is 1 peri-minute. And 100 peri-minutes is 1 peri-hour. So, 1 peri-minute is composed of 100 peri-seconds. And 1 peri-hour is composed of 100 peri-minutes. So again, the full day. The full day of Peregrino Sinis time. 1 full day is 20 peri-hours. 1 full day is 2,000 peri-minutes. And 1 full day is 200,000 peri-seconds. So, the time equivalent, Peregrino Sinis time to standard time. 1 peri-hour, Peregrino Sinis time is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 peri-minute, Peregrino Sinis time is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And 1 peri-second, Peregrino Sinis time is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So, that's all, and thank you so much.